When does a house become a homestead? Is it when you grow your own food? Is it generating your own power? We have taken many steps towards creating a homestead as part of this off-grid life. And whilst each stage has been important, this is the one we have been waiting for. None more so than our daughter Grace. Just be steady, just be steady.
Chickens. Put chicken there.
Yeah, chicken's going to go in there.
Chickens.
They're not in there yet, darling. This is the story of how Grace became a homesteader, along with the rest of her family.
Right, we went and bought ourselves some eggs, some hatching eggs to have some livestock, as in the form of chickens. Now, I've never done this before, and we actually tried to buy some chickens that were just ready to start laying eggs, and it's really difficult to get them at the moment, and not just because of the flu that they've got, they're just sold out around us. I looked online and you can buy fertilised eggs, which was new to me, and you can order them, they send them in the post. I've got 24 eggs, 4 different breeds and 6 eggs from each of those, and we use 3 different breeders. I've had to keep these eggs cool, not in a refrigerator. If the weather was too warm, we had them in the cool box that would come on automatically, and we also had a heater that would come on automatically if they were predicting it was going to be like minuses at night. You have to turn them at an angle, 45 degrees, so they say to keep, so morning 45 degrees that way, and then in the evening 45 degrees that way, the next day another 45 degrees that way. I think these were Moran Blacks, and we've got Orpington Buff, and then here we had Lavender Leghorns, and what was the other one? Blue Leg Bars. And now we just got to get them in the incubator, really. I'll set these up, I'll put them in here, and then we'll show you them in situ, because I've got to let this thing heat up first before they go in it. So, a lot more work to do yet. Right, they're all in the incubator now. In 21 days we should start to have some hatching happening.
Chicken eggs.
Chicken eggs?
Yeah. The seed out. And that seed.
Oh, what, get the seed out of your hands? Yeah.
Chicken eggs. And they touch
So we don't know what we've got here. It's going to be... Sorry?
They're going to hatch. Not
No,
yet.
we don't know. Look, it's moving. Can you see that line?
Yeah.
Look in the egg. Can you
Look,
see the baby
you see it moving?
Look.
There's a baby chicken there. So that one's a baby. That's moving. I think there's something there as well, Grace. I think that's something there.
Chickens.
2 babies.
Oh, the baby ticks.
I'm struggling to see
That's
anything in that one. That one's no good at all. Can't see anything in that one. In
The
fact,
light's not into that. The light's
is that?
chicken.
Baby chicken. Listen.
What's that?
Can you hear it? Yeah. Daddy's in there?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a look?
Careful. Don't touch it.
Oh, we mummy.
You're going to be the mummy.
Yeah.
It's a baby chick.
Yes. Tick, tick, tick.
Yeah, noisy, isn't she?
Yeah. We had one. We had one.
We've got one. We've got one. Looks like we've got one at the moment.
Yeah.
There's others trying, but we don't know, do we?
It's time to it. It's time to it. What are you doing?
He's just drolling off, isn't he?
Baby tick. Baby bird. Baby tick bird.
Yeah.
Having lived off-grid for many years, one of the things we've learnt is that both the highs and the lows feel greater. The good times are truly amazing and remind us of why we've chosen this life. But the challenges can be wearing and sometimes leave us feeling deflated. We can already tell that adding livestock to our off-grid life is only going to increase this, and that there will no doubt be many ups and downs to come.